go down to top 12.
Okay, before we announce our best informer in top 2 semi-finalists, ibibigay muna natin partner ang kanilang mga certificate of participation and of course our gift packs from ITI.
Yes. Kailangan natin yan sa araw-araw.
Yes, the content of the certificate, plaque of appreciation, and this is to certify that our candidates, in recognition of their active participation in Mr. Pogi Binangonan 2026, held on January 10, 2026 at Inares Town Plaza. Your commitment, dedication, and enthusiasm greatly contributed to the success and memorable outcome of this prestigious event. Signed by Mr. Kaisan Blanquisco, the overall chair and founder of Mr. Pogi Binangonan 2026. We have Mr. Henry Aragones.
Wilbur Logato.
So aside from their plaque partner, again, makakatanggap sila ng gift bags from International Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. Thank you po kay Ms. Macy Salonga ng ITI, the marketing specialist. Thank you po, Ma'am Macy.
Baka naman.
Nandiyan po si Ma'am Macy.
Baka naman kailangan din namin yan.
Ma'am Macy, nasa niyo yung gift? Sige na, narinig tayo.
Ay, narinig ko.
Sige po.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Macy. May panghaplas na mamaya. Hi, Ma'am Ryan. Magandang gabi.
Okay, pop-ups mo na tayo candidate.
Good evening po kay Mamits, Ralph. Good evening po kay Kumarin Francine.
Okay. So partner, again. Judges, again maraming salamat sa ating mga sponsor. Maraming salamat. So yung mga sponsor natin nandiyan po sa side ng ating venue sa kanilang mga booth. So we have coffee shop dyan. Oo, I think nandiyan sa kanila. Ayan, sa side.
The Brewers Cafe. Kumarin, baka naman. And of course, ang ating tabulator tonight, mukhang stress na. Oo, kay Ma'am Jenny. Maraming salamat po sa mga makeup artists and hunters. No, maraming
Maraming
salamat po.
salamat. Sa ating organizer team, maraming salamat. So partner, syempre, candidates, all of you prepared for this night, but luckily we have top 12 finalists.
Yes, partner, after choosing our top 12 semi-finalists, magpupresent sila sa kanilang advocacy. Yeah, so this time maririnig natin yung advocacy ng ating top 12 about the Binangonan youth and their vision of all for the youth of Binangonan.
Yes. And candidates, reminder, dahil wala itong time limit, take your time para ma-express niyo sa ating mga judges and to all our audience ang inyong advocacy speech.
Pero wala masyado mga.
Yes, baka umagahin tayo ha. Baka abutin tayo ng unang hearing.
As sharing partner, we would like to thank our sound system tonight, the Media Factor Audio Solutions. Maraming salamat po.
Yes, thank you.
Po ako ng calling.
So kung sino ang ating candidate na magkaka-receive ng People's Choice Award and Switch Fiber Choice Award automatically
Binurban lang sa akin ni Direk.
will move forward sa ating top 12 finalists.
Okay, this time, we're going to award the Best Informal Wear to be awarded by Ronyan and Hannah. Ano tatampo dito sila nag-award? Wala daw sila exposure. Our Best Informal Wear is no other than candidate number 15.
Once again, our best informer wear is candidate number 15.
Uunahin na ba to? Direk kaya? Itong switch and na-announce na. So automatic po, ladies and gentlemen, yung aming Switch Fiber Choice Award and the People's Choice Award is automatic